How to put captions on Instagram Reels. So first is to launch the Instagram application. Now swipe to your right to open the story camera. So make sure that you select Reel and then tap on the gallery icon, which is located on the lower left corner of your screen. Now from here, select the video that you want to upload as a reel and then tap on the stickers icon, which is a box that has a smiley face. And from here you should see the option captions. But if not, then what you can do is to close this and then click on the and then tap on next. Scroll down and head to advanced. Now under accessibility, you should see this option, show captions. So just turn on the toggle button beside that option to enable the So just tap this toggle button to enable the automatic. So just tap this toggle button to turn on this function. So just tap this toggle button to enable this function. So once this function is enabled, it will automatically show the closed-in captions, which are those captions that are in the transparent gray box found. It will automatically show those captions, it will automatically show the captions which are in the transparent gray box found on the lower left portion of the video. And so that is how you put captions on Instagram Reels. Thank you and have a great day.